Hello friends, welcome you in Research Needs. In this video, we will see some small and crucial settings in GraphPad Prism for making a graph with intention to publication. So here I have taken a graph and their, their readings and making a graph, one way ANOVA graph. That will means it's a kind of example while I'm showing the settings, what changes we need to change while we are publishing. So here you can see the graph with the significant changes. Here we can see I'm here put as some journal headings, and now while we click on axis, it shows a frame and origin option, and that you can see the four brackets. And in that four brackets, we have to put some numbers to see to completely to make a graph. So that should be these numbers because these are already measured and suggested by the many publishers. So these numbers you have to add. So it will prepare a graph that will be completely square, and that is easily acceptable by the publisher because this kind of graph, while you're adding in the publisher's article, it will be not showing any blur and any type of changes and easily set with the A4 size paper. So, so these number you have to remember and change while you're publishing the while you're making any graph with intention publications. Now your graph is ready. Now another I will suggest another settings. Here you have to add color while you're making a bar graph. You need to add some colors, and that color code should be these. I'm not suggesting you to put same color all the time, but these kind of changes will always be able to accept your paper because these are the completely different and easily acceptable by the publisher. So this code you have to remember, and while you're making graph, this type of setting you need to add in your graph. So here you can see these are the bar graphs, and group wise those are completely different with each others. So these will be easily distinctly differentiate with each other, and anyone can judge your article in that the groups are they are visible different or not. So this will be easily acceptable by the publishers. Our next changes is while you're making this kind of bar graph, you need to keep your line that setting to bar graph that should be zero point 0.1 always, not less than that, not more than that. So you can see now our graph is ready. Now we are while putting this significant label, while we are comparing groups to each other, means bars with each other, that time we are adding stars and has, and that should be a measured font label. So that should be off. While we are putting a has, it should be Arial 12 bold, and while putting the star symbol, then it should be of 20 Arial bold. So these changes you need to make in your graph, so it will be easily visible to anyone and easily acceptable to all. So how was this setting? Please do comment and suggest if you have any tricks for like this, and how was the video? Do comment. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.